down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down? Who gon'?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, superheroes, this one's for you and all that you do and bring to SHOEPERFLY. This is a really special show dedicated to my special viewers, especially those who have smashed that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe to my channel. Cause let me tell you, without you, I wouldn't be here. It makes me so mad when I hear people say that they don't need nobody, or that their success isn't owed to anyone but themselves. That's right. Today, we get nowhere by ourselves, and here today, gone tomorrow. So always be thankful for those that are thankful for you. I'm sorry, but it's true. Success and popularity is fleeting, so it's okay to be confident but not so damn cocky that you forget where you came from and those that helped along the way. Anti-who? That's what today's show is all about, acknowledging you for taking the time to rock with me and keep an eye on what's happening in SHOEPERFLY each and every week. That's right, you, the viewers, make SHOEPERFLY happen each and every week. With this one, I'm paying homage to my peeps for simply doing just that. So I'm gonna play my music, talk my ish, and let you know why you're all of that and a bag of chips. Shout out some superheroes. Share comments, of course, and of course, do what I do best. All right with you? Then all right with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hit that bell so you can get notifications anytime I post a new video. Now, not to call you a fan of SHOEPERFLY, but you are, of course, my superhero. So I'm going to stand by that for now and thank you first and foremost for allowing me to take up some time in your life, even but for a minute, with SHOEPERFLY. And thank you for supporting me by subscribing. With that said, let me tell you though why you are so important and deserve the respect that fans do. Let's take a look at the worldwide phenomenon of K-pop, for instance, and how the fans, well, with respect to K-pop, super fans can make and break careers. Now, over the past decade, the K-pop fan base has become a major machine behind the success of K-pop groups, both domestically and internationally. Am I lying? Audiences from all over the world have rallied in the millions to support and follow the trajectory of their favorites. So much so that the K-pop phenomenon has become much more fan-driven than, say, American pop music. Not to count us out in any way, because we do have the Beehive and the Beliebers. But I'm just saying that as with the music, K-pop fandom can be much more high energy, high on passion, and all-time consuming. K-pop groups like BTS, the most popular Korean boy band in the US, owe much of their success to the hard work of fans who called American radio stations, bought their albums, and congregated online to help the band enter the U.S. pop charts. On the flip side of that, though, take a look at Jay Park, who left the highly popular boy band 2PM at the peak of their prominence. Korean media uncovered a series of rants Park made to a friend on MySpace several years before, complaining about life in Korea, with remarks such as, "I hate Koreans." Park, who has since launched a successful new career in the U.S. entertainment industry, apologized several times before departing for America after fans, that's right, fans demanded that he leave. See what I'm talking about? This is why you, the viewer, subscriber, consumer, the fan, matter. Don't let no one make you think or feel otherwise. Ultimately, fans can make or break a career. Quote, if there is an issue or fans don't feel they are being respected, they can easily band together and demand action. And in the end, where their wallets go, the entertainment companies and others will follow. End quote. From Jenna Gibson, a Korean pop culture enthusiast and director of communications for the Korean Economic Institute. I concur. So that's the story there, and I'm sticking with it. So again, thank you, my fans, SHOEPERFLY fans. Now for some special shout outs. Here are some superheroes who actually went out and copped some SHOEPERFLY shoes. Forgive me, superheroes, should I mispronounce your name. But to Jody Pass, Walid was here, and Amir for rocking those Jordans Mac Auras 2. The superhero savage, Addie Rhines, in her Cassidy Jungle Love heels. Ashantwa Craft, Lynn Zombie, and Olivia Brewer rolling in their C7 skate gear roller skates. And last but not least, doing the damn thing in the Gucci rubber slide sandals, Bougie Nisha Nash, and Addie Rhines. I see you. Hey Addie, appreciate you and all the rest of my superheroes for helping make this show a hit. No bad comments or feedback. 92 subscribers in 7 months. Our watch time steady climbing as our views do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now my Valentines, before I get out of here, let me do what I do best and hit you with something super fly. Shoes, that is. The Mika Transparent Pump from ShoeDazzle.com. Here in a size 8.5 for $44.95, excluding tax and shipping. The pump is a transparent pointed toe heel featuring a stiletto of 4.25 inches with rhinestone embellishments, wrap around strap, and an adjustable buckle closure. So you can adjust the tightness that you need with much ease and much room for buckling. This imported faux leather pump just popped for me, catching my eye as I sat back as one of my many superheroes do out there enjoying my show. Taking in the shoes, news, reviews, and on-feet previews, that is. I cannot lie, I don't usually watch the show as I'm my own worst critic, as many of us are, so I take care of myself by avoiding my own dang drama. But lately, I've been watching just to make sure that I'm bringing you the best, because it's not about me, right? But about you, my superheroes out there. My special Valentine superheroes, that is, for the day. So, when I was watching the ShoeDazzle Haul show, the Mika Pump stood out amongst the rest in the video clip. So I had to cop the beauty, and let me tell you, I am in no way disappointed, as the Mika exceeded far beyond my expectations. So as you see, I haven't went into too much detail about the shoe because today's show is not really about the shoe, but you. So, I didn't know what to expect, as many of you don't when running out to buy the shoes I recommend. But let me just fill you in on why this is a SHOEPERFLY shoe. Because it fits so well and is gorgeous on accentuating all of that and more. Muy caliente and extremely comfortable. I don't know, but I'm really excited about this one because it came out of nowhere. So the fun and flirtiness and the ease and versatility in wear, especially again coming out of nowhere, is a certifiably SHOEPERFLY shoe. However, I had to give it to you as I do every week and offer you a closer look. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.